Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find longest uncommon subsequence. Given two strings A and B, return the length of the longest uncommon subsequence between A and B. If no such uncommon subsequence exists, return -1. An uncommon subsequence between two strings is a string that is a subsequence of exactly one of them. Okay. So here let's take an example and discuss. So here let's take example 3. So A. Second string is also A. So here we can say that every subsequence of string A is also a subsequence of string B. So I can take this A and this A and this A, it's a subsequence of B. Similarly, every subsequence of string B is also a sequence of A. So here I can say that there is no longest uncommon subsequence. So both are common subsequence. There is no uncommon subsequence. So common subsequence, if I say, I can say the output is 3. So here there is no uncommon subsequence. So I can return -1. When I go for example 1, A and C. So here one of the longest uncommon subsequence I can say A is the uncommon subsequence of ABA, but not with CDC. Similarly, I can say CDC is also one of the longest uncommon subsequence. Okay, so both the string has length 3, so 3 is the output. When I go for this one, A is one of the longest uncommon subsequence. Similarly, B is also one of the longest subsequence. Okay, so the logic is pretty simple. If the length of the string are equal, I can say I cannot form any longest unsubsequence. So if two strings are equal, that is the basic case I have to check. If A dot equals B, what is the meaning? String A and string B both are equal. So for this I am just giving a command, check if the two strings are equal. If two strings are equal, obviously I cannot form any longest uncommon subsequence. So I can return false. Or it's -1, right? I can return -1. Okay. What if two strings are not same? Okay. If two strings are not same, obviously I can form a longest uncommon subsequence. So here they have mentioned clearly longest uncommon subsequence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return the greater length of two strings. So I have got two strings. Out of those two strings, I can form longest common subsequence. So which string has the length greater, that is the number of longest uncommon subsequence that can be formed. Okay. So here I'll go for else part. Here what will I do? Return math.max. I'm going to find the maximum of length of those two strings. So I can say a.length, comma b.length. This gives me the longest uncommon subsequence. If strings are equal, I cannot form. If strings are not equal, return the length of the maximum value of a string. So this is the logic of the program. Let's run the code now. It passes the test cases. Let's submit the code. It passes all the test cases. That's all.